Hi everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕ್ಕಂ. Let's start our today's lesson with addition. Okay, so this is lesson number 2 only, the second part of lesson number 2. Okay, 2.2 addition. Yeah, addition. Let's see the keywords here. Add, total, altogether, more. These are the keywords. Okay. Mm, Appa, is it for me? The guy, the boy is asking to his Appa, means dad. What he is asking? These fishes, is it for me? Then Appa என்ன சொல்லுவாரு? Hmm? He is telling, yes, it is for you. Okay, whatever Appa does, that is only for children, right? Hmm? Mostly for children. Okay, then what this boy is telling to his father? There are two fishes in the basket. Okay, there are only two fishes in the basket. That is what the boy is telling. Then what Appa சொல்லுவாரு? Hey, I got one more. How many fishes do we have totally? Okay, then he got one more fish. Okay, then how many fishes they will they will become? Already there are two, right? If we add 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. That is what addition is, right? Oh, he is telling us to extend up to number 9. Anyway, we can do the addition in a very easy way. Okay, why to count fishes? Combine together. Addition means combining or putting things together. Okay, the meaning of addition is this: combining or putting things together. Plus sign is the sign for addition. Okay, one ball and another ball makes ಎರಡು ball. Okay, 1 plus 1 makes 2. That is what he wants to convey. Here, 2 balls plus 1 ball. 2 plus 1 becomes, yeah, 3. Fine. Practice. What is practice? Count and draw together. Count and draw together. There are 3 cycles, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 cycles. Plus one more cycle here. 1. 3 plus 1. How much they become? If you get confused here, just place 3 cycles here and one more cycle here. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Total becomes 4. So what happened? 3 plus 1 becomes 4, right? So this is very easy. See how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are there. Put addition symbol. Okay, because we are in the addition, right? Now we are in the addition. Tools. Mm. Mm. What symbol you need? You need addition symbol. Okay. Addition symbol. Right. So, it got little twisted. Mm. Now, now it is okay. Now, make it less and then move it. Okay. Plus 4 plus 1. How many they become? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You have to place balls here. Then here you have to write 5. 5. Okay. Hmm. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also 5. I just counted it. You can also count. If you doubt me, you can also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Again, put a plus mark. Now to put a plus mark. Comment J. How to put a plus mark. This is one. Take one more line. Make it stand vertically. This becomes S. Right? How many rectangles are there? There is only one rectangle, right? Here what you have to write? You have to write 1. 1 no. Right? Not 1 no, it's 1 no. 1 no. 1. Right? So 5 plus 1, how many they become? They become 6. If you doubt me, you can count, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. என்னாச்சு? It becomes 6. That is what happened, right? Practice, add and write. See how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5. Here 1, 2, 2. Right? How many stars they become altogether? See, these are 5 stars and these are 2 stars. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here you have to write 7. Similarly, kites also, see how many kites are there? 3. So write 3. 3 here, and here how many? 1, 2, 2. 2 kites here. Okay. Altogether how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. If you are good at numbers, you need not to count kites. You can simply add 3 plus 2 as 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 keys are there here. So let's write 5. 5 here. 2 keys are here. Okay. Here how many? 2. 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 plus 2 becomes, right, here again write 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. How many chocolates are there? You like chocolates, huh? But they are not good for health. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's why I wrote 4. This one 1, right? So place only 1. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Not fine. 5. How many rats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. இந்த பக்கம் again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Count these number of rats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rats. Right, you are right. 8 means 8. So 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Mildly practice. Okay, let's practice again. Write addition facts. 4 plus 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Or you can also write it as 3 plus 4, 7. Right? 3 plus 4, 7. If you count it from here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, you have to write here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 plus 3. 8, or otherwise 3 plus 5 8. Okay, let me write it for you. 5 plus, okay, 3. What we are doing, whatever there on the top, the number of bats we are counting, that one is 5. At the bottom, that is 3, right? So 5 plus 3 8. Similarly, first you count the number of bats at the bottom, that is 3, plus number of bats on the top, that is 5. So both becomes 8. Anyway, if you count, the number is going to be same, right? Here how many cups are there on top? 3. Tea cups, whatever cups may be, okay, that is 3. Number of cups at the bottom, 2. 2. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Okay. If you count all together, it becomes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We will proceed from the bottom now. Number of cups at the bottom, 2. Top, 3. 2 plus 3. Again, if you count from the bottom, you will get the same result, 5. Okay. Think like a mathematician. Addition of facts of 3, 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. Find all addition facts of 5. Find all addition facts of 6. Say, this one is quite boring, sir. I am leaving it for you, right? Learn addition using beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 plus 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take beads or any objects. If you don't find beads, don't worry. Okay, take anything you have which are quite large in number, 10 or 20. Okay, and start counting them. First take 2 and then take 3. Okay, add 3 to them. Then what will be the result? Yeah, 5. Here 6 plus 3 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 3 6. 1 plus 7 8. 3 plus 4 7. 4 plus 2 6. 7 plus 2 9. 9. Right? Sorry for that. Addition using fingers. Oh, that also you can do, right? 3 plus 5. How many? See, these are 3 fingers, these are 5 fingers. Count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these girls are brilliant. 8 fingers only. 3 plus 5 na? 8. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5. 4 plus 4. Yeah, you can start doing it with your own fingers. Okay, you don't require mine. So 8. Okay, 8. 5 plus 1, do it similarly, you will end up getting 6. Again 6. Okay, 2 plus 7 how much? Make it quick. Yeah, right, 9. 2 plus 7 9. This is 9. Fine. Pleasure time. Okay, add and tick the correct answer. Add first and tick the correct answer. Okay, that is what it meant. It is meant. Okay, 2 plus 3 and how much? Okay, it shouldn't be 3, right? It should be more than 3. So this is tavaru. That is not correct. 5, is it correct? Yes, 3 plus 2 5. So tick this. ఇది సరియానదు. 5 plus 1, it shouldn't be less than 5. So 4 tavaru. 1 also tavaru. 6 సరియానదు, right? 6 is right. Correct one. 3 plus 4 shouldn't be 3 and shouldn't be 4. So it should be this one only, 7. 7 plus 2, it shouldn't be 7, it shouldn't be less than 7 also, so it should be 9. 4 plus 4, it shouldn't be 4, 4 plus 4 is not 7, it is 8. 6 plus 3, it shouldn't be 6, it shouldn't be 3, so 9 is correct. Color two numbers which make 8. See, in this one only 1 and 7 will make 8, that's why they colored 1 and 7. In the second row, which makes 8, yeah, 2 and 6 will make 8. Okay, any two, you have to take only two numbers, not more than two, that is given, right? 2 6, these two you have to color them. 9 2, here also you need to take these two, 3 and 5 makes 8. Okay, take all the combinations and see, it's not that much difficult. Color two numbers which make 9 in different ways. 4 5, that will make 9, right? 8 and 1 also will make 9. Okay, here 3 and 6 will make 9 and 7 and 2 will make 9. 3 and 6 you have to take one color and 7 and 2 you have to make with another color. That is what intention of that practice is, intention of this pleasure time game, pleasure time, right? Try this, circle the numbers which gives the sum of 9. You already circled 4 and 5, 7 and 2 also is circled. Now we will circle other things which make 9. This also will make 9. Okay, sum of the circle the numbers which give a sum of 9. This also we can do then. 8 and 1 also will give you 9. Okay. What else? No, there is nothing else, so leave it there only. Mind math, look at the first one and do the rest, to be done orally. Okay, Akilan has 4 pencils. Mokilan gives him 2 more. How many pencils does he have totally? 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, it shouldn't be, why it went like that? Okay, you shouldn't be using your fingers or any other objects. Okay, you have to uh, start counting like I do, right, in mind only. This answer is 6. There are 5 flowers in a plant and 3 flowers are there in another plant. How many flowers are there altogether? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 8. Need to increase 3, right? So I will stop at 8. Ruby's father gave her 6 chocolates and her mother gave 2 chocolates for her birthday. Totally, how many chocolates does Ruby have in her hand? 6 plus 2, 8. That is very bad. She has to eat up all the 8 chocolates. Chocolates are not good for health. Think like a mathematician. 5, 4, 2, 3. Pick a pair from the above numbers, write addition fact for it. That you can do. Pick another pair of numbers, write addition facts for it. Keep doing it. How many different answers will you get? Whenever you get laser, na, you do those things. Next one is subtraction. Keyword C, take away, left, subtract, difference, less. முயல் என்ன பண்ணுது? Teacher narrates the above picture for enhancing the vocabulary such as difference, less, move away, go away to denote subtraction. Yeah, how many rabbits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rabbits are there. Okay. Then 2 rabbits move away. Okay, they left. Okay, in this picture you can see there are only 3. What is the meaning then? 5 minus 2 equal to 3. You got it, right? Now you got it. Fine. Subtraction means take away. Okay, from 3 take away 1. Okay, you take 1, how many they will become? 2. Left are 2. Fine. Now you practice on your own. How many chocolates or candies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 and place it at the appropriate box. Okay, how many chocolates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amjad. Then keep it there. When you take all the 5 chocolates, you will be left with 1 only, right? No, he didn't take 5, he took only 1. See what is, how many in his hand? 1. So take away 1. How many are left? You can again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we take, if we take, hmm, if we take 1 chocolate, 1 candy from out of 6 candies, we will be left with 5 candies. How many cows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 cows are there. Cows are buffaloes. Cows only, cows. Jersey or normal? I don't know, man. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. 1 is moving away. Why you need that is jersey or not? Hmm? Let's see for the addition and subtraction. Okay. 1 is leaving away. So, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. Hmm? Why you need the breed? Anyway, you are not going to feed them, right? So, out of 4, if 1 moves away, you will be left with 3. Now count, it is very difficult, man. So many people here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hmm. 7. Right? How many left away? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members left away. Then it is 4. No, not left away. Go away. 4 members went away. That is fine. Then how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 is 3. That is the moral of the story. Right? Not moral. That is the intention of the story. Let's say like that. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons are there. Okay, 2 left away. They got things, they left away. They fly away otherwise, right? 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can easily count, right? So 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Now there are 5 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, or eggs, whatever they may be. You take away 2. 5 minus 2. How many left? 3. The 3 is written here. Leaves you have to count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why so many leaves? Okay, 8 here. 2 left away. That means you have to write 2 here. How many are still there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you have to write 6 at the bottom. That means 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members are there, right? Then all 5 are left away. They went away. 5. Then how many left? Only one left. Fine. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds are there, right? Not 8, 9. Go. One. Oh, how many left away? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left away. 4 went away otherwise. How many are still remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are still remaining. So 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 things. Right. 2 broke, huh? I don't know whatever happened. So take away 2. How many are left? 4 are left. So 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Complete the subtraction fact by circling. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay, whichever you are taking away, you just circle and count the remaining and place it here. That is what you have to do. Okay. Out of 5, how many left? 2 are left. Okay, we will circle to, what is the big deal? Circle this guy and this guy also. Now count the remaining. 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. Very easy game, right? And you will get the answers also. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. How many you have to take? 4, right? Circle any 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? How many are left? 1, 2. So you have to write 2. Okay. Complete the subtraction fact by striking. No, this time we are going to strike. How many cabbages are there? 4 cabbages are there. You are taking away 3. 1, 2, 3. Then how many left? 1. So this number you have to strike and you have to count the ones which do not have strikes. Okay. That is the practice game. Out of these 9, you have to strike away 6. Strike, strike, strike. 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many left? 1, 2, 3. So how many are there? 3. Right? You're right. Subtraction using lines. 3 minus 2. Okay, this is 3, right? Draw 3 lines. Strike away 2 lines. How many left? 1 line. So 1. 3 minus 2, 1. This similarly you can practice. First to draw 6 lines. Where here only 1, 2, 3. Lines are not straight. Line. This is straight line, right? Hmm. Move it, move it, move it. Hmm. Okay. I will do only one, man. This is taking too much time. Hmm? So other things you have to practice. This is as good as the first one, right? So we'll proceed like this only. One, right? Okay. Two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Now strike away with a different color. Which color? Which color? Which color? Many other. Hmm. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, let's try one more. Okay. Then change the color. Hmm. One, రెండు, count. Oh, you need to take only one, man. Okay then. Start counting other things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So here you have to write 5. Okay. Too much practice for me. So 5 minus 2 you will get 3 here, 9 minus 4 you will get 5 here. Subtraction using beads. 5 minus 1. Okay. How many? 4. Right. 6 minus 1 like this you try 5. 5 minus 2 3. 9 minus 4 5. Create your own subtraction fact. That is not needed now. Mind math. Fill the boxes to get 3. 7. This is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Right. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus how much? Right. 5 is 3. You can fill your own numbers. Pari brought 7 bananas. His brother ate 2 of them. How many bananas are left with Pari? 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. Mani bought 6 eggs. 3 of them were broken. How many eggs are left? 6 minus 3, 3. Tendal is 6 years old. Her sister Nela is 2 years younger than him. How old is Nela? 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. Think like a mathematician. How can I fill these boxes using the numbers 8 by 5, 5, 3? 8 place 8 here, 5 here. It becomes 3. Pleasure time. Fill the circle with plus or minus. Oh, that is very easy, right? 3 plus 2, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. So this is minus. minus here also minus 8 minus 3 5, here plus, okay, here minus, here also plus, okay. I am more than 5 and less than 8. I am not 7. Who am I? More than 5 means we got with and less than 8 in this range we got with 6 7, two numbers only. If I am not 7, I will be 6. Aru. Create subtraction stories, things needed, flashcard. See, whenever you find time, na, you do this activity. Teachers can encourage children to tell stories on addition and subtraction on their own. This encourages mathematical communication in the classroom. Okay. 0. I am the 0. My name is 0. 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up and put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. 2 are left. 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up and put it in the bin. Look after the floor now. 1 is left. 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up. Put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There is no paper left. That is 0. 2 parrots in the cage, 1 parrot in the cage, 0 parrot in the cage. If 2 parrots leave the cage, how many parrots are there? That is 0. Teacher can use the spindle board of SLM kit for enhancing the concept of 0. Good. Start practicing this 0. Pleasure time. Count and write the number of butterflies. Here mono, here இரண்டு எந்த பக்கம் ஒன்று right. So number of total number is 6. That you can write it here. Here it is 0, man. No, 3 minus 2 minus 1. Here it is 0. Okay. In 4 in the 0. Okay. Second one, no. Mono. Oh, here we have to write 0 only. That we will do. We will write. No. 0. Okay. 0 0 0 0 0. This is not going anywhere. It has to go. Mono. 1 1. Okay. Count and write the number of tomatoes. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here there are 7. Okay. Next one, 3. In the back 0. Okay. Here 5. No. Okay. Now we are done with second unit, second lesson maybe. Okay, second unit or second lesson, whatever it may be. Thank you guys.